My name is Kevin Brown, international discus thrower, been competing for Great Britain for over 30 years. I'm currently 4 times World Masters champion and I've been British champion 17 times. As a discus thrower, I've had countless of injuries, mostly back, and one of the big latest ones was I snapped my patella in my knee. I seen the BQ Laser advertising, so I thought, well, we've tried everything else, so let's have a go at this. And since I've been taking this, I've been competing better, been getting up in the morning without actually feeling any pain whatsoever. The hospital contacted me saying that we're ready to replace your knee, and I says, well, I'm fine, I have this now. The great thing about the BQ Laser, you can just put it in, different parts of your body where you're feeling pain, and it's almost instant relief, which is just amazing. When I get to the competition, then I would just use it an hour before I compete. So then that allows me to warm up without feeling much pain, and then I'm able to compete and bring back another gold medal. I've learned that if you look after your body, it will look after you. And part of that investment is the BQ Laser. It's definitely helping me to continue into making a difference for my children and also for people out there as well.
Kevin succeeded and broke the world record, 48 seconds.
I never leave home without it.